Hello, I'm going to show you the process to download the Intelligence Hub. That will download the App Cafe, and from there you can download the partner schedule onto your Apple. So you're going to start by going to the App Store, and you're going to go to search, and you're going to search Intelligence Hub. Intelligence Hub. Gorgeous. So you're going to download that guy, and it's going to install. Just make sure you're on Wi-Fi or you're using your cell data. I'm going to tell you right now, it's a lot easier to use your cell data. I'm just using Wi-Fi because this is an old phone and it doesn't have any data. It works a little differently. But anyways, moving on. Okay, so once the Intelligence Hub is downloaded, you can open it. And you can go into this little thing. So it'll ask for your email address or server. So you're going to type in this little address right here, appcafe.starbucks.com. Once you do that, it'll ask you for a group ID and you'll type in partner. Then you press next and it'll load. It'll take a second and then it'll lead you to this, and you'll just log in with your partner ID, US blah 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 blah. Then once you log in, it'll show you the terms and conditions. You go all the way down and just press accept, and then you'll see this little thing. It'll say what we collect and what we may collect, basically saying that they separate your personal information from your work information. So now it's going to set up your work profile, so you'll just download that. Just don't allow notifications, you don't really need that. And then you'll allow this part and you'll go all the way down, and when prompted to download, press allow. After download is complete, tap here, and then you'll download this one. And it says in the settings app, locate and tap profile downloaded at the top. Select install to continue the process. Tap trust on the remote management pop-up. And once the profile is installed, return to the hub to complete your enrollment. So if I do this right, I can go to the settings and I can click on the profile downloaded, and then it'll say install. So I'll click install up here. I'll type in my passcode. And then I'll press install. And then just giving consent, install this Starbucks app. I'll press trust remote management. And that's it. Done with that part. It's kind of a process, but it's worth it. Now I go back to the hub. That's where I am right now. Take me to the hub. Please install. Manage. Would you like App Cafe Starbucks to take management of the App Intelligence Hub? Yeah. And then we wait. Okay, so it'll eventually load this little loading screen, and then it'll... So my phone's stuck on this loading screen, but it should load a basic Starbucks partner login, and it'll load the Intelligence Hub homepage. But from there, if you click out of it, you can see all of my apps, and you can see one of them is the Intelligence Hub, one of the apps is the App Cafe, one is Privacy, and one is the Starbucks partner app schedule. So if you go to the App Cafe, you want to make sure that it says that it has the Intelligence Hub installed, but this is the one we want, the Starbucks partner hours, and you can see it's processing, meaning it's installing and stuff. And then if you click out of it, once it's installed enough, it'll actually install it onto your home screen. So you can click on the partner app from there, and then it'll say, do you want to allow notifications? You can say or no. Yes or no, just depends on you. And then you'll log in with your partner number, US, blah, 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 blah. And then after you go through the security questions, you'll finally log in here. And hopefully this will work. Yay, I got the login right. And then it'll focus. Make sure you agree to the terms and use. And there you go. There's your partner schedule. There's me. Hey. And then you can go back and forth and you can see your past schedule and you can see your future schedule. And one thing you'll notice is these little green ones. So if you go to the day and you click on that, you'll see that you have no shift scheduled, but you can claim a shift. If you press claim a shift, you'll have to confirm and press yes. If you want to swap a shift, I'm not able to do it because I already worked that shift, but you would basically click on the shift and it would say swap shift and you press swap shift. And that's it. Well, thanks for joining me. Bye. Just one more note, just make sure you don't uninstall the Hub, the App Cafe, or the SBucks Partners schedule, obviously, because those are really important for making sure the app stays up to date and it's still connected with Starbucks. Another thing is when you're doing this whole process of installing the Intelligence Hub, that'll install the App Cafe, make sure you keep those open. Keep the Hub open. Keep App Cafe open, and App Cafe will install the Starbucks Partner Schedule app in the background. Just make sure they're open. Don't just do the little thing where you delete all your apps and tabs that are open. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, now bye.